there, Schoolcrafters! We're here to kick off Schoolcraft's Stuff a Truck food drive.
This is an important event. Donations going to the Bemidji Food Show.
To be collecting items from Schoolcraft.
Or you can drop your items off at the lunch drop-off table at the Boys and Girls Club.
Our goal this year is 1,000 items by November 18th. Schoolcraft can get 1,000 items. We get to watch a funny teacher dance. We will give you weekly updates on our progress.
Remember, Schoolcrafters, bring your donations to the Bemidji Boys and Girls Club on Monday through Friday from 11 to 1 or to Schoolcraft on Monday through Friday from 8 to 4.
Let's go! Schoolcraft!